Welcome to Ditto's NC, the channel of Sugar Ditto. Well, since this is my first video, I want to explain a little bit about me. I used to collect Pokémon cards, but for some reasons I lost all of them. Well, in this moment I only have these cards. Yeah, I only have 5. But well, so for that reason I decided to start a new collection since today, and I took a look to this beautiful set, the Darkness Ablaze, and I saw some beautiful cards in this set, and so I decided to vote the box and start the collection again. I hope that you join this adventure with me. So if you are a Pokemon fan and you enjoy Pokemon unboxings, this is your channel, so remember to subscribe and thumbs up, and let's start with this beautiful set. Let's start with the right side. Well, the first one. Yeah, I'm looking for this Charizard. It's one of the most beautiful cards of the set. Let's see if I'm lucky. Diglett. I didn't know this one. Shelmet, Pampur, Teddy Ursa. Oh, a reverse Starry, I guess, and a Staraptor. Water Energy, a Ursaring, a Poltergeist, Combscan, the next one. Oh, this is okay. Okay, let's do something different. This is the code if you want to use it. This one is the passcode. I don't know. I don't remember if I showed. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's something. Brick Parasol, Carnivine, Fluffy, Metal Energy, a Jigglypuff, a Dunsparce, a Clink, Mariani? I don't know. I don't remember this Pokemon. Torchic, Pansage, and Serena. Okay, the next one. Come on, Ditto, give me some of your luck. Well, this is the code. And Aron, Rookie D, Wichi, Pansage, Tauros, Ghost Tower, Gelharm, and Arctozolt. Oh, I like this one. It's beautiful. Okay, let's put this one here. A Velicant, Solvok, and a Green Energy. The next one is Larvesta, Hippopotas, Golett, Skitty, Dino, Parasect, nice, Vanillux, Electric Energy, Dartrix, Staravia, Chainotic. Oh, and a beautiful coat. This. Well, the next one. A Fire Energy, Goturita, Kaboo, Turbo Patch, Turamaka, Sentret, Rowlet, Skowet, Spinarak, Golispot, and Grenbull. The next one, this is the code. Unlock Energy, Dartrix, Didin, Beastkeeper, Passage, Electric, Fletching, Mr. Mime, Torchic, Witchy Watchy, and Diggersby. Water Energy, Pupitar, Kirby Square, Hiding Energy, Bone Sweet, Dawn Spurs, Electric, Mr. Mime, Grimer, a Wimpod, and a Scavalier. A Familiar Bell, Struggle Gloves, Clank, Clink, Marani, Torchic, Starry, Skarmory. Oh, another one. Another Actosalt. And a Hydreigon. Nice. Well, the next one. This is the code. Kirby Square, Hiding Energy, Fletchinder, Goatita, Nickit, Chelmet, Larvitar, Grimer, a Trapinch, and a Milotic, a holographic Milotic. Nice. Continue with the adventure of opening Pokemon packs, Pokemon Booster Packs. Oh, the spoiler. Okay. The code 1, 2, 3, 4, like always. Water Energy, Heat Energy, Lolicant, Swillows, Golett, Skiddy, Dino, Jigglypuff, Dunsparce, Velvet, and a Stunfisk B. Oh, this one is beautiful. It's like I was looking for all my life for this card. I want to kiss this card. Another spoiler. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Struggle Gloves, Combusken, Pupitar, Electric, Dino. Passimian, Bunnelby, Vanillish, and Paros. Well, the next one. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. A Green Energy, Ariados, Doctrio, Willowing Smoke, Violet, Skowet, Spinarak, Larvesta, Hippopotas, another Skowet, and Dalcuddy. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. Electric Energy, Simipour, Kirby Square, Lunatan, Marip, Snubble, Tauros, Vokidee, Mr. Mime, a Mr. Vine. What the fuck is this? Okay, no. A Mr. Vine. And Diggersby. Let's continue. I'm very excited. I hope to get this Charizard. But let's see what happened. Always high energy, a Simisear, a Lyron, Old PC, Cholmat, Larvitar, Grimer, Darumaka, Sentret, Panzer, and Mimikyu. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. Dittos, what happened with you? You have to give me your luck, your Dittos luck. Fire energy, a Dugtrio, a Verfossil, Simisage, Morel, Wishiwashi, Kunfant, sorry. They know, Panzer, Ducklet, and a Mew B! Oh my god, I got a Mew! My favorite Pokemon in my life. Let's see this beautiful card. Okay, let's continue. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. Something is wrong here, but okay. Anyway, Lost Tower, Ursaring, Shinoldik, the energy, Passimian, Bunnelby, Bunnelite, Gotita, Nikit, Hippopotas, and a holographic Decidueye. Maybe we can get something better or something nicer here. But anyway, I'm very happy so far. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I failing, but excuse me, it's my first time opening a booster pack of Pokemon since years, so excuse me for that. Chainodic, Vanillish, Pierce, the energy that's supposed to be in at first, Starly, Skarmory, Pensage, Electric, Fletching, Goldittle, and Manectric. Okay, and the last pack of the right side. The last, but not least, pack of the right side. The code, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there it is. I got it. Energy, Linguntangle, Lyron, Parasect, Avukidi, Torchic, Trampage, Jigglypuff, I love this card. Ducklet, this one is very nice too. One of my favorite Pokemon. Darmanitan, and a Hoopa-Loopa, holographic, nice. If you are guessing why I choose Dittos NC for the name of my channel, is because Dittos is one of my favorite Pokemon. But anyway, let's continue. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. The energy, as always, Linguntangle, Lyron, Simipour, Kupcha, Wimpod, Bunnelby, Toxel, I love this card too, Sinisty, Alarbesta, and a Bertic. Let's continue with packs, with the beautiful packs of this beautiful set of Pokemon. The code, the energy, Ursaring, Rose Tower, Lyron, Mr. Mime, Torchic, Aron, Wukidi, Wishiwashi, Rare Tauros, and Eternatus B! Oh my god! I don't know this Pokemon, but it's beautiful. It's amazing, it's beautiful, and it's all I need to know about this card and this Pokemon. Let's continue with looking for that Charizard. that beautiful Charizard that is one of the cards that I'm looking for. Well, the code 1, 2, 3, 4. I get it. The energy, Pikemut, Beer Keeper, Steenie, Heavy Blast, Melton. I love this card too. Marani, Purloin, Starry, a Vervukdi, and a Golurk. Okay, let's with the next one. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. The energy, Fletchinder, Gotorita, Kaboo, Clink, Skiddy, Pensage, Growlet, Banilit, a beautiful Agron, and a holographic Corbin Knight. Oh, this one is very beautiful. Okay, the code 1, 2, 3, 4. The energy, Alphabet, Gelhorn, Fluffy, Iron, Cupcho, Violet, a Jigglypuff, the Diglett with another Diglett behind him, a Verclank, and a Mr. Rhyme. Well, this card is very weird, but I like it. Come on, Dido, give me your luck. I need some of your powers. Transform you to a beautiful Charizard. I need your power, Dido. The code, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. I'm very...
You spoiled me, man.
This is very hard to... Why that this kind of things happen to me? I don't understand, but okay. It's not the Charizard that I was waiting for, but it's beautiful. It's not the most expensive Charizard of the set, but anyway, it's a Charizard, it's beautiful, and it's the kind of art that I like, so I'm very happy. Sorry for the spoiler. Let's see the other cards of the booster. Energy, the Turbo Patch, the Dartrix, a Staravia, a Trapinch, a Teddiursa, a Pansir, a Morulu, Wishiwachi. This is like my 10 Wishiwachi so far, but it's okay. And a Keibu Rare. Okay. I am hoping, as I said, another card of this kind of art. Let's see if we can get another one. Okay, the code 1, 2, 3, 4. This time R4, so no spoilers. The energy, Carnivine, Cape of Darkness, Powerful Energy, Pampur, Spinarak, Bonsweet, Dunsparce, Electric, a very Pinkurchin. This card is very beautiful. And a Hippowdon. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The energy, Chinodic, Fluffy, Malafi, Carnivine, Kulibani, Kufant, Deino, Pansir, Marip, Snubble, Averted Ursa, and the last one is a Hydreigon. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. The energy, a Solvok, a Steenie, a Old PC, Mr. Mime, Grimer, Clink, Skiddy, Pensage, Mariani, and oh my god, oh, a Salamence B Max with texture. This is amazing. It's like the most beautiful card that I pulled so far in this set. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. A Water Energy, Big Parasol, Pierce, Vanillish, Tauros, Vukidi, a Mr. Mime, Electric, a Dino. I'm waiting. I saw something. I don't know. A Fletchinder and a Sarina. A beautiful card. Let's continue with the pulls. Pulls. Oh my god. This is the code. Well, let's do something different. So start here with the goblet, then the bunny lid, the Trapinch, the Teddy Ursa, the Pansier, a very Skipemut, and wait a second. Skipemut. Ditto, give me your holy powers. Can I get the Charizard? A beautiful Viperion with texture. Oh my god. This is amazing. This Viperion is like the holy moly of beautiful card of the set. Let's continue. We're sharing hit energy as Simisure. Please, only one more and I'm going to sleep very well tonight. This is the code 1, 2, 3, 4. The Water Energy, a Old PC, a Ursharing, Hit Energy, Paras, Goatita, Skarmory, Kupcho, Wimpot, a Verpampur, and a Magnetic. Nice. Very nice. Please, Ditto, give me your powers. I want at least one more, please. One holographic more, and I'm very happy with that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the energy, the hiding energy, a Parasect, a Toxapex, a Violet, a Witchy-Watchy, a Kufant, a Sinisty, Phoebus. I think it's my first Phoebus. It's very weird, but it's okay. A very Skitty, a very beautiful Skitty, and a holographic Dracovish. Let's continue. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. Chon. The energy, a Simisure, Doctrio, Verfossil, Bunnelby, a Toxel, a Sinisty, a Cavleblast, a Meltan, a very big Parasol, and a Lugia. Bless these last packs with your powers. Okay. The code, energy, Lunatone, Struggle Gloves, Combusken, Violet, Jigglypuff, a Diglett with the Diglett behind, a Pampur, a Spinarak, Clink, and a Heatran. Please, I know that you have powers, so please bless my boosters and help me to get the most beautiful card. Big Parasol, Chainodic, Rose, Passimian, Fletchling, Wimpot, a Grimer, a Clink, Simisure, and a Aggron. Let's try something different again. This is the code. This is Mariani, Purloin, Starry, Iron, Kupcho, a Staraptor, and a Axelgor. Okay, It's not bad. Energy, semi-search, semi-poor. What this is worth? 2 monkeys in a row. And a Corby square. And for the last one, I'm going to let my brother open this booster.
Well, the last booster pack of this booster box that I think that my brother pulled a lot of good cards. Well, spoiler.
Come on.
This is the code if you want to use it, as my brother was doing before. 1,
No.
2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
I saw something.
Yeah, I saw something. I think that we will pull another one.
Diddles, are you going to
Okay,
use?
are you ready, people? Because it's Lightning Energy, Simi-Pur, Lunatone, Dartrix, Ducklet, Merip, Paras, Gotita, Skarmory, Passimian, and the last one is... Oh my god, it's a fuller Pierce.
With texture.
Yeah, with texture. It's
it's
beautiful. Okay, you got it. You got 7. You're so lucky, man.
I'm very happy.
Yeah, I'm happy too. I'm happy I can pull another full air for you.
Thank you, my brother. Okay, and if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up if you like it. I know that could be a little bit weird, but is, as I said, is the first one. But I'm very happy. I think I started the new collection with some beautiful cards. I'm going to show you those cards in the next video in my folder in my blender. Well, I'm very happy, as I said. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see you in the next one. Thank you.